Welcome back to another crypto gaming boy where we cover all things gaming and earning crypto. Today we'll be hitting up another passive income token. Um, it's very difficult during these times of a bear market to find something actually worthy. Like I was saying, in this bear market to find something actually worthy investing into, because currently the market is going down and every single day it's just straight too irregularly volatile. However, there are opportunities out there. So I'm not sure if you've been following my Twitter feed. If you've seen me drop the Easter egg in the last few days, I've been looking into this project for passive income. As you know, from that unsavory situation, again, I will not name the name, from a project. I'm just trying to recoup from that situation by finding anything and everything passive income. And on that journey, I'm sharing this with you guys. As always, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my experience. Hopefully that you will see an opportunity for yourself to invest to make some money long term. So let's get right into that. But before we do that, show your boy some love. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And just help this content spread out there to let people know what we are all about, what we cover, and give everybody an opportunity just to live a stress-free life. So let's get right into it. So over the course, I say about about 4 or 5 days, I think, no, probably 6 or 7 days, I've been jumping into our project where I chose to, be a little bit bullish because of the information I found. The method of them making money for you is ridiculous and unheard of and cannot be found anywhere on any other network. Just before we get deep dive into this project is on the Polygon mainnet. This is not on the BCS. This is not on Ethereum. This is on the Polygon mainnet. For what I know of Polygon so far, the fees are extremely cheap, and I am loving it because in order for us to gain more passive income, we need to stack our bags, compound, so on and so forth. So I mentioned I was making or initially, if I can find my original post here, can I find it? Yeah, initially I was making 300 per month, and I calculated this by my daily rewards or my returns based on the amount that I put in and how long it was going to take me to get it back. And it will take me about 2 months, 6 days, and we can always do the calculation earlier later on in the video for you, so you can get just a taste of the possibilities you can get from this project. And from that, I added to my position just the other day, and I will be making about over $800 per month. And if I continue to compound before the end of the month, I will be making over $1,000 a month. What project is this? What project out there is that I am being so bullish on that will give you and I the opportunity to make consistent funds without any risk? Believe me when I say without any risk, it is the bare minimum. You don't have to invest in the token of this company. You just need to accept the services that they provide. And that is, my friend, the AI bot system. These guys have created, or this guy, Michael Pardos, sorry Michael, I butchered the last name, but Michael Pardos, the founder, the creator of this project, created this project from an idea of just exploring that if this was even possible, creating a bot that will be able to go out there, make investments for you and reap the highs and buy at the lows and sell at the highs. So this started off with just that simple idea. He explained in the last AMA over at DeFi Dude. If you haven't seen DeFi Dude, he has been a good YouTuber, has been doing things a lot, doing some nice early calls for a lot of stable projects, mostly passive income projects. So I give you a shout out to check out his channel if you're looking for other passive income projects. As you know, I do cover passive income. I also cover majority of gaming, crypto income. So over there the AMA, he spoke of this idea happened, and he only had a website, which is this website that he introduced to 25 people, 25 of his friends, to test this bot out. So the idea was, you simply, I'll just take you over to the white paper. You simply take your investments, or you put in your investment, which would be Matic. So you have to purchase Matic, which is Polygon's meme token, and put it into this contract, and then that bot is going to take your funds and buy for you. And on that yield that they make, or this high returns, they're paying you out at a 1.5 percentage daily. Guys, this is massive, at 1.5 percentage daily. When I first started, 1.5 BNB, I was receiving about $10 a day. That is with 1 BNB, and I think being 1.5 BNB was about $600 at the time, which was crazy. So I took the opportunity to try it out, see what's going on. I compounded a few days, and I started to reap a lot of benefits. And think of this. So there was a question I was asking the AMA: how does the bot work? And a lot of people want to know how this works. And I have a little clip I'm going to play from the Telegram for you. I'll make sure I link all of this in the description for you guys, so you can join the Telegram and become part of this family as well. Where is this? Here it is.
Yeah, we'll do it this way, because just in case there's people that aren't confident in typing, we'll go with just soil at the minute, and then we'll answer other questions in the chat after.
Can you tell us more about the bot, is what he wants to know.
Right. So obviously bots, like, there's so much with the bots that, I mean, it's a depth question that what I can tell you, but what I tell you that we've tested the waters with these bots. I mean, even with all of you being here, with the way the market dipped and everything, but we still, in fact, we were making more money when the market was dipping, to be honest, because the bot works both sides, right? Like, it's even when in negative, even in positive. But when the market is fluctuating more, that's when the bots actually tend to make more money. So it's more profitable for us as an enterprise making money when the market's like going upside down. And in terms of bots, we've like worked them for like approximately 3 years, I would say they were in making. And I've told this to DeFi before as well, that there's a Japanese guy who actually operates them, and it's his technology behind it. But obviously it was funded by me, so I have all the right paperwork in place with him, and that the bots belong to me as an individual. And that's pretty much it, what I can give you an information on the bots. And soon when we're launching the app and all, you will have much more information there on the app side. And we're trying to put a live call center as well on the app, so people will be able to talk to real humans when they have an issue with the support or any of those issues as well.
So as you heard, guys, that is basically what the bot does. It takes your investment, go out into the market, do some trades. This bot is programmed to be an expert trader, to take your funds, make you that 1.5% and pay you out daily. So think about that, guy. These people are not needing or requiring us to invest in the project, because there is no token for them to gain from. Yeah, let me correct that. There is a token, but this service that's being provided is not required for you to buy their token at all. That their token is only another step of part of the utility system if you're choosing to earn some more passive income with their token called S Rocket, which I will go into showing you the charts on that shortly. They will be paying out, I think it was starting at 20 cents per S Rocket token on twice a month. So you're getting paid, let's say a rough figure. So you have 1,000 and it's 20 cents. You probably get, let me just do a quick calculations right now. So you're running $1,000, or not even $1,000, 1,000 tokens of S Rocket. 0.2. That's $200 2 times. So that's $400 a month that you'll be getting just by holding S Rocket tokens. So if you're into that, that's another stream of passive income that you can get from this project. But however, this service that they provide on the app is strictly for you to take what you can get from, or what you want to invest. As you see right now, there's about 1,638 people invested. Is geez, maybe like 278 I said 1,000 or probably 2 million. Yeah, 2 million, about 2 million Matic invested total. There's rewards. It's just crazy out here. This is amazing. Every time that you put in an investment, it does take you 28 days. I do understand that concept. It does take you 28 days in order for you to get your original investment back. That means your original investment is not locked up like other projects where you put it in and you're never going to get it back. It is yours. As long as you keep it in there, you will continue to get that 1.5% daily. This is the simple website. As you see, it does refresh. There is some glitches. Michael did mention this. Again, this is the owner. This is the dev, the main dev of the project. He did mention there is some fluctuations here, because bear in mind, this was not created for the masses. This was created for just a couple of his close friends to show them how this bot is making him money. But he chose to bring this out to everybody and help everyone out to get in on this thing, guys. You should not sleep on this. I am 100% bullish at any given time that I can get. As you see, guys, from the 18th of May, I've been compounding, and I've been continuously, or almost every day or every other day, trying to stack my bags. Just want to show you Matic. Currently, I think I purchased my first bag. Here around 70 cents, and everything else was around 66 cents. But I just want to give you guys this idea. There is a calculator here as well that you can select. There is a white paper, like I mentioned, you can go through in detail. But the very simplistic thing is what you need to know is your money is not locked up forever. It's only locked for a 28-day period at a time, and you will be getting that 1.5% on the investment that you input. Let me just go over to the calculator if I can find the calculator. Oh, here it go. The calculator for you. So this is the total Matic that I have inside of there right now. Just bring this across so you guys can see. So about 2,000. Well, clearly my thing is doing what it wants to do today. Or again, I need to check my soundboard. My soundboard connections are always doing something buggy. So this is the current investment right now of Matic. So I'm receiving 41.4174 Matic every single day, and that is roughly, bring this calculator over for you guys so you can see this for yourselves. 41.1474, and at the current price of Matic, 0.64. And this is a good time to buy in on Matic, because Matic right now is low fees. You can jump in on the Binance Smart Chain or the Binance app. I'm not sure if anyone has in the Binance account, or crypto.com, or whichever exchange you want to buy Matic on. The price is really low, and it's a good entry point to jump in right now. And I know I heard a lot of scrutinization about, oh, what if Matic continues to go low. Just bear in mind, this project is new, and when a lot of people, because I've seen quite a few corporate businesses that are in the group chat talking about investing, and once a lot of people once they start to do advertisements for this thing, it's going to blow this out of the water, and you always obviously going to need Matic. So as you start to invest more Matic and everybody else starts to buy more Matic, the price of it and the consumer demand is going to go up. I'm sure before the end of the year it's going to go back to at least $1.25. And that would be not, you wouldn't just be receiving $26 from such an investment. You'd be receiving a 1-to-1 ratio, which that would be $41 a day. So moving on. So this is what I receive a day. And if I times this by 30 days, I'll be receiving $790 every single day. If this again was a 1-to-1 ratio, or less, let's go a little bit higher than just a 1-to-1 ratio. Did I do that right? Yeah. Times this by 1.20, say $1.20. I'm receiving $49. Times it by 30 days. And this is what I am going to receive on a monthly basis. Bear in mind this, I can make my original investment back, which was that $1,700 in the approximately, let me just put this full amount here so you guys can actually see this for yourselves. And we're not talking about the actual figure and amount that I invest right now. We're talking about the actual number of Matic, how many days that is required to get your original investment back from here. And then you can ride the wave if you want to, leave whatever that's in there to continue to grow and compound and give you your passive income for as long as the project lives. Because we don't know what's going to happen with crypto. We're not sure if it's going to continue. However, I have a solid feeling, which I'm going to show you some nice, great look for this company, because they have an incorporation, and I'll show you that details shortly. I will also link it for you guys to view for yourselves. Where was I? Yeah, so we're dividing this by 41. Let's leave it at 41. And it's going to take you approximately 2 months and 6 days in order to get your original investment back, which would be right here, because this is my daily payouts, which is 1474 Matic. So it's not going to take you that long, and I love projects like this. It's not going to make you rich overnight. However, it is sustainable for 2 reasons. Sustainability for longevity, that they're not paying you out in these large ridiculous APYs is a 1.5% daily. That is fantastic. No bank in the world that I know of or that can pay you that out on a daily basis. And secondly, that you're not investing in a token that it may go up, may go down. You're not investing in a stable fund token. You're investing in Matic, a well-known established blockchain on which is Polygon. You're investing in that, and you're putting it into bots who are taking your money, going out there that are extremely programmed traders, buying at whatever low prices and making that profit at that high prices by looking at all the volatility that's happening in the market and coming out with a guaranteed pay to you every single day of 1.5%. I tell you, guaranteed. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not me asking you to go in there, or I'm giving you a referral or anyone. They don't have a referral system. These is up to you as an individual to see this as a game-breaking system that nobody out here is doing, that is massive potential for growth. Because as you heard Michael not too long ago, they are making an app for an exchange as well. And you can trade, you can buy your crypto straight on there, and you can continue to stake your Matic as well and continue to make your 1.5% there. So there's a lot of utility coming behind this entire project, just like the S Rocket token, which I'm going to also show you right now. I know I'm jumping so many things, but there's a lot to cover here, and I'm trying to make sure I cover everything and I'm not missing anything for you guys. So S Rocket is currently sitting at $19.51. When I heard about it, I think it was around here, but I was trying to understand the mechanism behind StableFund, and I didn't even know until the next day that they had a token for the company as well, which is S Rocket or Stable One Rocket, which is crazy. And what they have done is the pricing of payouts for dividends. They'll be paying you twice a month by how many tokens you hold. So if you're holding, again, 1,000 tokens and they're paying out, say, 20 cents per token, you're getting $200 on that one dividend, and then they'll get a next $200 and a second dividend in that same month. So twice a month you get paid $400 for that. But the price is pretty high. Me personally, I choose not to jump into this token because I think I missed the boat for it. However, if there's an opportunity of the price drop, I will try to jump in on a dip. Maybe if it goes down to 18 or 16 bucks, maybe I'll jump in there, but I don't think that ship is there for me. But this whole Matic bot going out there and investing, you can put in any amount that you want, even $100, and continue to start to stack your bags there. But the quicker that you do this, the better, especially because we're in a bear market and everything is in discounted prices. Once people start to hear about this and start to see the value behind this project and the value behind these bots and making you money every single day, regardless of the market being volatile or not volatile, or prices are really down or prices are really up, it's going to continuously make you market until crypto goes away. And guess what? I don't know about you, I don't know about anybody else, but I don't think crypto is going anywhere. So it's going to be here for a very long time. So back into the contract again. The dev is I guess you can say docs, because his name is out there. He even has the release of the company name that is registered in the UK or United Kingdom, which is called StableFund Group Ltd. Show you the address here as well. Is a private limited company. This is like fairly new. Like I said, this project was not planned. It was not the idea to actually roll out in something big until he started seeing the massive impact and change of people from his friends and everyone, word of mouth talking. Like if you see the community, all that community is all about word of mouth. They have done no advertisement. So I do encourage you to join the Telegram group. I will drop in the description for you. All of these people are all organic. They are not bots. They are not people who ape in. There's people who hear other of their friends or families talking about it, showing them the numbers, like I showed you guys on the calculator here, that this stuff is legit, and this is an opportunity you should not pass up on, guys. And here's the document as well if you want a full read through this. In my profession of compliance officers, you cannot fake a document this, because it will be illegal, and I know the UK, they don't play around with stuff like that. And I'm sure if you scan this code, and you will see their official company details as well. Here's the proof here of the director, Mr. Michael Pardos. I don't think he goes by that name. I think he goes by Ray in the group chat, but his real name is Michael Pardos. So you know, everybody in crypto on Telegram, including myself, go by a different alias name. It's not, I don't think it's important. I don't think it changes. My product doesn't change you knowing my real name from my name that I want you to prefer to know me as, because again, I provide you the facts. I come out here with all the details, and if you want to come back with a rebuttal, please bring me some support so I can digest something, so I can consume what you're trying to tell me, and we can have this healthy discussion. We don't need to go back and forth and throwing stuff out there that are unnecessary FUD. That is not what crypto needs. That is not what any community needs out here. So let's see if I covered everything. They don't have a, I don't think they have a no, they don't have a Twitter or anything like that yet, but that's all work in progress. Like I said, this all takes some time. They are just starting, and this site was not made for these amount of investors. It was made for just 25 people, and you know, it is good to see that, you know, they know this and they are progressing. They already started the new website, and if you want to see that, you can head over to DeFi Dude, because he did drop a video, I think just today, about the new website, and it looks fantastic. And trust me, this will be out on Google Store. This will be out on the Apple Store as well. Trust me, don't sleep on this project, guys, because you will be sadly mistaken and you will be missing out. I say, I don't want to say you won't be missing out, but you will be missing out as soon as when everyone starts to jump on the same train, or even the people who want to FOMO in and try to ride the wave to the top is going to push the price of Matic up and up and up. So therefore, you want to be able to stack your bags before that happens. So if you're sitting at 400 Matic a day and it drops to, and it goes to $1, then that's $400, rather than, you know, getting half that, $200, if you understand the concept of what the pricing is right now. And seeing that it's not the token you have to purchase for the project, is just a mere investment. So if you think of Matic just as a US dollar, you're just buying your US and putting into this project too, for the bots go invest it for you, come back and pay you your dues on a daily basis. And there's quite a few questions as well. If you guys want me to do another video referring to AMA and I play out the whole AMA, just shoot me a message saying yes, AMA video, and I will shoot that whole video. I think it's about an hour long. I probably just cut it up a little bit or something, but it's very informational and very educational of how this developer Michael speaks, and he just goes into very detail. He even answers question referring about FUD, and it is not dismissal, it's factual. And that's what I love about Michael and how he describes and responds to people. He responds to them with facts and provides proof to them, and even with respect of how business is being dealt in the background. A lot of people don't understand this, but I feel safe when let me give you an example. There was a question asked referring to when are we going to see the wallet that the funds are coming from, and he's spoke and says it's unnecessary because it provides no substance of the people getting their funds, which I agree. And he also provides that the level of security behind it, if that wallet ever gets hacked, then that's everybody, funds and rewards are gone. And this is coming from the company's fiduciary account, which makes sense. This is not just money from the bots, is money from other avenues that they provide service for, or they get business for or money from. And if that gets tainted, then their whole company is going to go down. So that makes sense. That makes me feel good that he take the precaution, he understands security, that he's not going to take the entire rewards bag that the bots make and drop it into the rewards wallet. So then if that rewards wallet ever gets hacked, you know, how are you going to recuperate this money? So clearly you can recuperate this money by only dropping what's in there in order to pay out people, and the majority of the money is kept offline, which he has said is kept offline. It's on a laptop. This laptop doesn't even connect to the internet. You understand that impact? I don't know, maybe it's just me being a nerd or something, but the impact of that idea, saying that it's a cold wallet and it makes no sense to connect it to the network because of these security issues, fantastic. You do you, boo boo, because at the end of the day you're making me money and I'm happy. Then we all good, we all can move on from here. And the next thing was a question of referring to the bot. People want to see the bot and see how the bot works, and he explained to them, if you do that, if some people will get the secret sauce, because when you show them the code, there's a source code in there that people could copy, and if that gets copied, then someone can hack it, so on and so forth. You see how this starts to develop? It's crazy, but I understand and I respect it. So with that being said, you do you, Michael. You have my full support. I know I sent you a message out there as well. I know you're quite busy, but whenever you have some time, you know, hit your boy up, give me a response. It would be love to have you on the cast here, guys, so you can talk to my audience and get them to know you as an individual as well as a businessman. That being said, I think that is all. Just make sure. I think that is all. Gonna drop all of this stuff in here for you. You know, look out for all of my other my little Easter eggs that be popping up here, because this is not the only project that I'm looking at. There's other projects I'm looking at, but if you're into it, you know, bring a friend, bring a follow, drop a comment and a like in there, and I will just share what I'm Easter egging or what hints I'm dropping. But other than that, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. As always, stay cool, stay chill. Scarce money don't make no money. High risk, high reward. But always put in what you can afford to lose. Catch you in the next one. and don't forget to hit that notification bell.